In this video, we've picked the top 5 manual lawn edges based on real-world testing and actual use in different yard conditions. We know that the best tool for you really depends on your specific needs, whether you're dealing with hard-packed soil, trimming clean lines around flower beds, or just keeping your edges neat with minimal effort. That's why we didn't just look at ratings. We tested these ourselves, looked at build quality, ease of use, and how well they perform for different types of users, whether you're after precision, durability, or just something simple that gets the job done. There's something here for you. At number 5, the Truper 3.5 Rotary Lawn Edger with dual wheels. This is a tool that makes sense for homeowners who want precision on long, straight paths. The dual wheel design gives you real control when edging along sidewalks or driveways. I found it works best on flat, even ground where the wheels can glide smoothly. It has a 3-position blade setting, which surprisingly helps with avoiding clogs when going through damp grass or light buildup. The fiberglass handle cuts down on weight without feeling weak, and the non-slip grip is a nice touch if you're using it in the early morning when things are still dewy. This edger is not built for breaking ground. It's for maintaining edges that already exist. If your soil is soft to medium and you edge regularly, this tool will feel smooth and predictable. But if you're dealing with compacted clay or haven't edged in years, this won't be aggressive enough. At number 4, the AMES 291 sawtooth border edger. If you need a manual tool that actually bites into rougher soil and holds its line, the AMES does it. The sawtooth blade design is what really makes it different. It doesn't just press into the ground, it cuts. That's especially noticeable in dry or rooty areas where flat blades bounce off. It's also one of the better choices for curved edging thanks to the blade shape and how easily you can pivot as you go. The wide footplate gives you good leverage, and the shorter 39-inch handle gives more downward control, though tall users might feel a bit hunched. The T-grip handle is solid and helps balance your force across both hands compared to the Truper. This one is slower but more aggressive. It's ideal if your lawn edges have been neglected and you need to cut in new lines, especially along flower beds or patios. At number 3, the Garden Weasel Edge Chopper. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a no-hassle tool that just works without much effort. What makes it stand out is how lightweight it is. It's under 4 pounds, but still feels sturdy enough for most residential tasks. It uses a half-moon blade and functions purely by downward pressure. The motion is simple. Line it up, stomp down, pull back slightly. That's it. There's no rotation, no wheel alignment, just straightforward edging. During testing, this tool really shined around mulch rings, flower beds, and general touch-up areas. It won't go deep, and it's not meant for creating trenches or reshaping neglected edges. But if you edge your lawn every couple of weeks and want something light, fast, and easy to handle, this is the best fit. Compared to the AMES, it's much easier on your body, but also far less aggressive. At number 2, the Bully Tools Round Lawn Edger with T-handle. This is hands down the most heavy-duty option on the list. Everything about it feels industrial, from the all-steel build to the weight and cutting power. It's made from 12-gauge steel, and the round blade lets you edge along curves just as easily as straight lines. I tested this on a hard-packed, dry soil, and it handled it better than any other manual edger I've used. The long handle, over 61 inches, means you don't have to bend over much, and the steel T-handle gives you stable control when you're applying downward pressure. It's heavier than the others, yes, but it's not tiring if you're using it in controlled bursts. This isn't a casual tool. It's for people who want a long-lasting, zero plastic, dig through anything kind of edger. If you're dealing with rough overgrown lawns or want a tool that'll last a decade or more, this is it. Just know it's overbuilt for light edging on soft lawns. At number 1, the Fiskars 38.5-inch steel edger. This is the most balanced edger I've used when it comes to comfort, build quality, and general purpose use. The steel blade is sharp and strong, and the wide foot platform gives you solid push power without slipping. It cuts through average soil with no issue and is easy to use, even for people who aren't into yard work. What I really like is the overall feel. It's only about 2.2 pounds, but still feels well constructed and solid. The handle height is spot on for average users, and it reduces back strain since you don't have to kneel or crouch. This isn't a specialty tool. It's not as strong as the Bully or as fine-tuned for curves as the Truper, but for most homeowners, it's the easiest to pick up and get clean results right away. If your lawn is well kept and you want to stay ahead of overgrowth, this one is the sweet spot. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you figure out which manual lawn edger makes the most sense for your yard and your style of work. Remember, the best tool isn't always the most expensive. It's the one that fits your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and let us know in the comments which edger you're thinking about trying. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world gear reviews just like this. See you in the next one.